Here I am on a wet day. I was so annoyed this morning because it was just raining and I was like, what? Why are you raining? Why? It's supposed to be dry today. And obviously in the winter when it rains and there's no wind, it just does not dry up. I took the dog for a walk. Just started enjoying little jumps around little curbs and concrete edges. You know what? I'm gonna make a video today. Solo jumps in the wet, just balancing, jumping on little curbs and walls. Because I think it makes you better at parkour, makes me better at parkour, because it's very scary when it's wet, even doing simple jumps. So, but the more you move, the more you get better at moving. Even if it's walking every day from where you live to the next spot or to work, if you're just balancing on curbs, jumping around, jumping over walls, doing little hops here and there, vaults here and there, it makes you better overall. It's more volume of training, so that's my thoughts anyway. Also, let's be honest, if you can jump onto wet railings, balance around, and you can fall off, like slip off in a controlled manner, jump on in a controlled manner, and learn to really create the right body positions, then it's going to make you better overall. I mean, you'll come to a dry day, or when it's dry, it's like wearing a bad pair of shoes and then going back to like nice shoes, or being barefoot and then going back to shoes, and suddenly you have superpowers. Balancing and then sliding off a rail. You're balancing and slip. You know? Practicing falling. It's really good. Is it okay to do wet rail positions? Round ones? It's actually so fine. Don't want to jinx it, but just control. Oh! Middle of foot. Vuvix from Amazon, barefoot shoes. Just incredible. The world's most comfiest shoes in my eyes so far. And just grippy, really nice and grippy. And I can feel the rail because they're barefoot. So it's obviously more safe in some ways because I can feel where my foot is going and save it in real time, you know. To be fair, these rails are rough paint, so they're quite nice really. They're not like stainless steel rails, they're more slippery, but still, it's fun. Now wood I normally don't mess with because it's so dodgy. Oh my god. Don't want to fuck with it too much. Scary. Right, I'm gonna do concrete jump first. It's bigger but safer. But listen, everything's small in this video, apart from that jump I just did to the concrete. That's pretty big. But it's not about the big stuff. It's about control. Very large standing jump. Hardest bit being staying on this slippery thing. I don't even know if I can stand on this. It's a big boy. I think if I put my foot there, let's hope. Does work. Yeah, with wet jumps, it's all about foot placement. Yeah, I'm good, right? I'm saved by the force of the foot into the edge of the wall. The same when you're taking off, you're saved by the physics of it force of pushing off against the object. Jesus. Very happy with that.
Can I have a seat? I just want to make sure I'm not in your shot.
No, don't worry. You'd only be in it if you were sat right here. Hello. Morning.
Sorry. Our big giggle.
Laughing at me. Hello.
Oh, hi. You
Lovely
George?
dog.
You George?
Yeah,
Oh, you're doing some tricks.
I'm doing some jumps in the wet. So what the video will be for just inspiring people to, if you enjoy the sport, get out, and it's not always the big stuff, the great high stuff, it's
No.
just fun, small things.
I might.
Yeah.
I'll probably watch you from my boat.
Oh, yeah.
You won't even see me watching.
Have
Enjoy it.
a lovely day. Quick plyo tip. Arms come down when you land to then throw up again. What I'm not doing is throwing them powerfully up again. So I'm actually scared to put power in case I shin it. So arms come down and then they poof, back up again. Just jumping. I'm jumping over the bench, landing there, and then trying to jump up to the wall.
Oh, I see. I thought you were taking pictures of the boats.
Oh no. Can't see myself doing it actually. Just going to try this one without the plier. Yeah, I'm going to leave it. If you never tried one of these dip bar laches, give it a go. This is 7 foot, so in terms of laches it's tiny. But getting the momentum from a swing on a bar is so different. You don't have the leverage of your arms, so yeah. Just gonna go to the third one. Oh, here we go. The third one's not very big, but in the wet I'll take it. Raining again, which is a bit boring because it gets the camera wet, but just going to try this down there. You'll see. Oh, so it's actually really scary jumping off this because there's not really anything to push off. But these barefoot shoes are curving round it, as you can see. Oh my god, that's scary. Number 2. Oh, cool to do a 100 stick challenge. I keep thinking about it. 100 sticks in one day in the wet. Textbook. Jump in. Does it have to be big? Does it have to be a big jump to have fun, to enjoy parkour? No. I ended up cutting the session short. Just started raining, and I don't mind training in the wet. I don't really want to train in the rain without a raincoat and stuff. Obviously I get wet. Yeah, it was good fun. Just did a few little bits, get the body ticking over. Like like I say, more volume of movement makes you overall better at movement. Just practicing controlling the body and just knowing where your feet are and your body positions when jumping between rails or walls. 100 wet sticks. Look out for that video. Subscribe. Much love.